Okay, to pack the rescue chair back in the storage, you want to connect these belts. You don't leave those out.
Oh, yeah, that's the outside.
Yes. And then you want to unlatch the bar. And then once you do that, you lower the straps. Let me undo this. All the way down. And then they click. And then you lift up on the bar, collapse the chair, and then use the seat belt to pull that tight to hold it together. And then place it back on the hook for storage. Replace the cover. There's operating instructions on here again if you forget, but ideally you want to practice several times a year just to familiarize yourself with its operation.